Hi friends, in this video, I intend to teach you how to register with the Equiti Broker. You go to the Forex Broker section, select the Equiti Broker, and then click on Go to Website. Once you're on the website, click on Start Trading, and in the registration section, you choose your country. Then you enter your first and last name, along with your email, address, and password. I recommend using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols, and make sure your password is between 8 to 30 characters. After entering your password, you confirm that you are not a US citizen and click on I am not a robot. In the next section, you choose your account verification method, which can be done via email, verification, mobile phone, verification, or you choose to verify your personal documents via email, click on the verification code, and then go to your email. You select Equiti and you copy the relevant code and enter it in the verification code section. After entering the code, click on Submit Code. In the second step, you enter your mobile phone number for verification and click on Continue. In the personal information section, you enter your date of birth, nationality, and then your full address, and click on Continue. You log into your account, but keep in mind that to work with the Equiti website, you need to upload identification documents like a passport, ID card, etc. Good luck!